Hi everybody and welcome back to the Hard Reset Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you where can I easily find the serial number on this speaker. Actually I didn't mention that, but this is the BOSE SoundLink Home speaker. And at first, to find the serial number you have to turn the speaker upside down so that you can see this menu, as you can see. And we don't have to search much longer, because if I do zoom in you can see that serial number is over here. SN08565, etc. This is our serial number, and we can tell this serial number to the authorized service to detect the device. And as I said, we are good to go now. Goodbye!